3, 2, 1. What is up, everybody? We're at the airport and we're gonna surprise my sister for her birthday.
She's not gonna
No
make that
way!
face. Oh,
She's not
okay.
gonna make that face. He's doing weird.
Okay, my...
He's gonna be like,
I knew it!
no, she did not.
You guys are all gonna be squealing all together.
Oh yeah, we're all gonna be. Hello, everybody.
WestJet flight
We're here.
We're gonna edit that. It's gonna take us 2 years.
Nuh-uh. I'm gonna edit it right away. Where's the baggage claim? Oh, it is the first time he's been here.
I've never seen this before.
We're here. Who's ready to surprise Ate Eula? Me.
Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Seriously, guys, I had no idea. Like,
Really?
yeah, zero idea. Yeah.
Here is our Airbnb. Little kitchenette. This is the This is the first bedroom. And you pass through this little kitchenette. It's very small, but that's fine. And then there's like a little hallway. And this is the bathroom. And then this is the other bedroom. Oh, and a giant closet for. Here's our food. Churches. Here's some gravy. Here are the biscuits. Chicken tendies. Delicioso. That is so tender. Okay. We're just walking to somewhere to eat.
I want to go on a patio and have some drinks. That's my dream.
Oh,
Utah. From Utah?
excuse me. Just looking around at Daiso. We are watching F1. Nice coffee made by Nico. Yeah, in this cafe there's live music. I forgot my phone at home, but good thing I have my camera.
What the heli, man?
What?
The heli? You always keep sticking out.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Woo! We're walking to the Vancouver Aquarium, but we parked really hard, so and it's an incline. Oh,
How thick is the glass? Oh, pretty big.
show me what that fish looks like. Okay, show me what the fish looks like. Oh, it looks like Ate Eula.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. He's so tired, he wants to be dragged.
He's mouth. Oh, shark.
and
We'll go over the album in a bit, but we're just curious about the photo card. Yeah, I was about to say. Ooh. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I think that is Julia Hinata. It's got a dent in it, but can't get it graded.
Oh, second floor. Oh, right here. Look up.
Oh, there's more. There's more. There's more. And another full card.
What did you get? Oh, that's for me.
No, that's. Oh, that is Chisa.
Got it? Okay.
Shout out to
Magic
Magic
Stronghold.
Stronghold.
Oh, yes, that's the one. Ooh!
Steel Energy.
Stop!
Dojin. Hunter. Ooh, I'm sorry. Pikachu! It's Pikachu! Ghastly. Oh, sorry, focus. Palafin. Okay. Springtail.
That's a full pretty
That's a freaking full pack. Heavy Baton. Big Teeny. Reversal Grotto. Okay. Oh!
I got another blind box. And it's this really big one. Nomi fruit series. So these are the options. And if I really wanted one, I think I like the orange one just because it's yellow. Because it was really big actually. I think this was $30. Okay, here it is.
Close your eyes. Look at first reaction. I low-key knew that was gonna happen.
We're going for a quick hike, like a walk hike, not an actual hike because JJ ran 28 kilometers today. Nice, right?
Oh, good. Yay! That's actually so cute. Thank you.
Funny.